Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I want to thank SVT Hair for sponsoring this video. I have with me this beautiful bob curly wig. This hair also came with some lashes. I really love receiving lashes, and also a wig cap. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation on my lace. This is going to be such a quick and easy installation hair tutorial. I really love how simple it was for me to do this hair, you guys. I'm going to go ahead, cut off the excess lace before gluing it down. So I'll just go ahead with my Got To Be Glue Freeze spray. I'm gonna grab my wipes to remove that glue. After using the Got To Be glue, I'm gonna wrap my hair around. Now all I'm going to do is to apply water and a curling moisturizer. I just really love how this curling cream made this wig to be, you guys. Like, just look at how defined the curls are. I just like going in with a foundation afterwards or powder, you know, so that the lace can be more invisible. I think it's better that way, honestly. And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and use my LA Go Pro concealer to make my part more visible. See how easy and simple this is, you guys. I used to think it's so freaking hard to install wigs, but I feel like the more you do it, the more it's going to become easier. So now I'm just basically using my wig stick. And I'm going to go ahead with my olive oil sheen spray. I guess that is it for this video. I want to thank SVT for partnering with me on this video. If you're interested in this hair, check the link down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you on my next one.